You will need a little bit of chopping vegetable here for your prep. I have this beautiful bell pepper, two of them, red and yellow, and half of it I'm going to dice it and half I will save it for the rest of the recipe. I'm slicing bell peppers here two ways. I'll tell you in a while what's in the menu. Dicing onions got to be my favorite. Always season your chicken before cooking. Salt and pepper, of course, and ground cardamom. One last thing to do for the prep is make a paste from sun-dried tomatoes. Prep is done. Let's start cooking. Let's start with olive oil in a pan. Let's brown a little bit this chicken. Two of them and skinless. We don't particularly like the skin for this recipe. Remove the chicken. Put a little bit more olive oil after you sear the chicken, only if it's necessary. Onion, bell pepper. Onion and bell pepper have been softening for 5 minutes. Now I'm adding the sun-dried tomato paste. I'm also adding tomato paste, about tablespoon and a half. We are cooking chicken and rice. But I'm using farro instead of rice. Farro is a very old type of grain and it's actually very good for this recipe because it doesn't get mushy even if you cook it more than it should be. It remains firm and it's very nutty and it has a very good texture. I'm also adding chickpeas, dried mint, or you can use any type of dried herbs you have, or fresh chicken back. And now let's put the liquid, this is chicken stock. You can use water or any stock you want. So let's bring up to boil, and as soon as it's boiled, we're going to put the lid on. It's boiling really nicely. Let's put the cover, lower the heat to the lowest you have, and let's come back in 20 to 30 minutes. But it's it. Liquid has been absorbed by the farro. And now I'm putting the bell pepper.